the key issues are, in particular, in the public sector, tax reform, pension reform, that will create fiscal space to have more growth-friendly policies, in our view, and not fiscal space in order to allow Greece to have higher surpluses and repay the debt. That's not what it's about from our perspective. And there is a discussion there, and I think that I think clearly we are not there, but I also think that the differences have been narrowed notably the last few days. The second issue is on labour market reforms, where we are arguing what I said before. The issue is really not to reverse labour market reforms, but redouble efforts in other areas of structural reforms. Once we have agreement with Greece on policies, the next step will be to have agreement with the Europeans on debt relief. We're not going to take a program to the board that we are not here to provide liquidity support. We will only support if we have a program that has solved long-term issues, that requires reform in Greece, and it requires debt relief. No amount of reform in Greece will make that sustainable. No amount of debt relief will allow Greece to pay German-level pensions. So there need to be reforms on both sides. And this is where we are. Right now there's a lot of emphasis on discussion between us and the Greeks on policies. Once we have settled that, there will be a lot of tension on discussion between us and the Europeans on debt. We have said to the Europeans that it's fine to make debt contingent. What does that mean? That the debt relief will not be delivered before the end of the program, based on Greece meeting the objectives of the program. That's fine. But we would still want to have an understanding right now, at least as a broad understanding, what kind of measures would be needed. So that's a discussion that still needs to be had.
Good. Thank you very much, Paul.